Living in the present moment and cultivating present moment awareness is a wonderful practice for finding peace, joy, and contentment in your daily life. Spiritual writers and teachers have provided profound insights on this topic. Here's some important knowledge and guidance on living in the present moment and escaping the trappings of the mind. Mindfulness practice. One of the most effective ways to cultivate present moment awareness is through mindfulness meditation. This practice involves bringing your attention to the present moment, observing your thoughts and sensations without judgment. Regular mindfulness practice can help you become more attuned to the present and less entangled in past regrets or future worries. Letting go of attachment. Attachment to the past or desires for the future can hinder our ability to be fully present. Recognize that clinging to past experiences or anticipating future outcomes can create unnecessary suffering. Practice letting go of attachments and embracing the impermanence of life. Non-identification with thoughts. Often, we get caught up in the incessant stream of thoughts generated by our minds. Learning to observe thoughts without identifying with them can create distance and freedom from their influence. Recognize that you are not your thoughts. You are the awareness behind them. Cultivating gratitude. Practicing gratitude is a powerful way to anchor yourself in the present moment. Take time each day to appreciate the simple joys, blessings, and beauty that surround you. By shifting your focus to gratitude, you train your mind to be present and cultivate a positive outlook. Engaging in mindful activities. Incorporate mindfulness into your daily activities. Whether it's walking in nature, eating a meal, or engaging in creative pursuits, give your full attention to the present moment experience. Engaging your senses can help anchor you in the here and now. Acceptance and non-resistance. Accepting the present moment as it is, without resistance or judgment, allows you to find peace and contentment. Acknowledge that life unfolds in its own way and surrender to the present reality. Practice embracing both the pleasant and challenging aspects of the present moment. Conscious breathing. The breath serves as an anchor to the present moment. Whenever you find your mind wandering, bring your attention back to your breath. Take deep, conscious breaths, focusing on the sensation of inhaling and exhaling. This simple practice can bring you back to the now and calm your mind. Remember, living in the present moment is a continuous practice. It takes time, patience, and self-compassion to develop this skill. By incorporating these principles into your life, you can gradually cultivate a deeper sense of presence, peace, and fulfillment. Here are some quotes that can help guide you in living in the now. The present moment is the only moment available to us, and it is the door to all moments. Thich Nhat Hanh. Realize deeply that the present moment is all you ever have. Make the now the primary focus of your life. Eckhart Tolle. Be happy in the moment. That's enough. Each moment is all we need, not more. Mother Teresa. Life is a series of present moments. To live each one is to succeed. Corey DeKent. The only way to live is by accepting each minute as an unrepeatable miracle. Tara Brach. The present moment is the only time over which we have dominion. Thich Nhat Hanh. In the end, just three things matter: how well we have lived, how well we have loved, how well we have learned to let go. Jack Kornfield. Happiness, not in another place, but this place. Not for another hour, but this hour. Walt Whitman. The present moment is filled with joy and happiness. If you are attentive, you will see it. Thich Nhat Hanh. Realize deeply that the present moment is all you ever have. Eckhart Tolle. Remember, living in the present moment is a practice that requires consistent effort. These quotes can serve as reminders to help you stay grounded and focused on the beauty and richness of the present moment. In conclusion, living in the present moment and cultivating present moment awareness is a transformative practice that can bring profound joy, peace, and fulfillment into your life. By embracing the now, you free yourself from the shackles of the past and the worries of the future. Spiritual writers and teachers have emphasized the importance of being fully present, and their wisdom can guide us on this path. Through mindfulness, letting go of attachment, non-identification with thoughts, gratitude, engaging in mindful activities, acceptance, conscious breathing, and other practices, we can develop a deep connection with the present moment. It is in the present that we find the essence of life, where our power lies, and where true freedom resides. Escaping the matrix of the mind requires a conscious choice to break free from the patterns of dwelling in the past or projecting into the future. By living in the present moment, we awaken to the beauty and richness of each passing second, allowing life to unfold with greater clarity and purpose. So, I invite you to embark on this transformative journey of present moment awareness. Let go of regrets and worries, and immerse yourself fully in the now. Embrace the simplicity and magic of each moment, for it is in the present that true liberation and inner peace are discovered.